This may sound somehow, but please hear me out. I do not understand young people who say they are jobless, broke, and have no money. In this age where there are boundless opportunities, I know for most people it's lack of information, but I will make you one promise. If you follow the blueprint I will be sharing with you in this video, in the next 30 days, you will look for me to testify. No kidding. Why am I so certain? Because I have shared it with people who using it have moved from zero to making 6 figures consistently back to back. Some of them today are employers of labor because now money they chase them. And the beautiful part is all you need is your phone. In case you're wondering, no BS here. No network marketing, no affiliate marketing, no POS. You are not even selling any products. Because I'm even assuming you don't have capital to start. I'll be teaching you using the story of my younger cousin who was the last person to use this strategy. And today, she's doing so well for herself, seeing herself through school and taking care of her siblings. So please zero your mind from any distraction right now so you can pick out the lesson from this story. Ladies and gentlemen, tighten your seatbelts. You are about to make your first million. So when I came to Lagos a few years ago, I had this cousin. She had been here before I came even. A very brilliant girl. I remember the day we hung out, I invited her out. I think it was somewhere in Ikeja. So I asked what she does. She told me that she does sales gear for someone. You know, these people that have businesses, they have sales gears that sell market. And she was earning 20,000 naira. What can 20,000 do for someone in Lagos? 20,000 cannot even take care of her personal need as a woman. Anyway, I did what I do best with her. I swung into action. So I asked her if she has Instagram and everything. She said no, that she doesn't use Instagram. Okay, no problem. There and then, we downloaded Instagram app. I showed her a couple of things, how to use it, how to upload and everything. So here is the game plan. I needed her to become a social media manager. Take notes. But in this case, she doesn't even use Instagram, but this is a very smart girl. I linked her to some videos on YouTube. In fact, random search, how to become a social media manager, how to use Instagram, how to edit with Canva. So on that first day, we made sure she had 3 apps on her phone. The Instagram app, YouTube app, and Canva app. This is all you need. Oh, later we added a 4th one, CapCut, for video editing, but we'll get to that shortly. So we spent a lot of time that day, me showing her the basics and everything. And then she went home. That girl made me so happy. Like, in few days, she has trained herself watching videos on YouTube alone. How to, in fact, almost an expert at Instagram, posting, engagement. When you do searches on YouTube, like how to grow an Instagram page, how to get followers, Instagram engagement strategies, videos like that. She has watched all of this. She has learned. So when she came back to me that, okay, this is where she is, she has learned all of this. What I did there was to hand over a page, one of my pages. I think then it was my hair page, to her. Or I take this page and do with it whatever you wish. Bam! She started posting, engaging on the page. And before I knew it, I was seeing the activities on the page. She was using it as samples. She go to Canva, she designs templates, upload them. Normal, a typical thing every page manager does. I was paying her a token for this. Then after like 2 months, I knew that she was ready. I put a word out for some of my friends. If you need a page manager, I think back then, page managers were already making like 50,000 or thereabouts. But we crashed our own price to like 25,000. I think we signed up like 4 different pages in that first month. And this is like 25,000 by 4. That is 100,000 naira. For someone that's just not long ago was earning 20,000. And this time, she's not paying for transport to go to work or something again. Her own is to stay home. Your data is subscribed. Your phone is charged. You are doing your work and you are making money. In fact, she has gotten to the point now where she's not even taking clients again because she's really good. People are recommending her. On that job, she got admission. She sent herself to school. She's about to graduate now. And even her younger ones are being taken care of as well. This is someone that was, oh God. So over to you. You don't have any good paying job, right? You don't have up to 1 million in your account, right? Can you consider becoming a page manager? Listen now, it must not be page management, but there are so many, tons of skills, low-hanging fruits you don't even need to spend any money on. All you need is YouTube. Page management number 1, you see video editing. Please, if you can learn video editing, that is one of the high in demand skills. Do you know how much I pay for each video I post here on YouTube for my editors edit? Sometimes I edit some of them myself, but for the ones other people do for me, I know how much I pay per video. So I'm not just going to send you out and tell you go and find something to do. If you don't have an idea of something you can do, page management and video editing. You can even combine both together. So your assignments now, you see what I did with my cousin. I'm doing that with you now. Take your phone, block out anything that is going to distract you. Give yourself timeline that in 3 days, you are going to watch every single video you can lay your hand on YouTube, on how to become a successful page manager, on how to grow. You can choose any platform. Maybe you want to start managing TikTok, or I think mostly I prefer Instagram for people, for business owners. Start learning this thing. When you are done, use your own personal account as example. Start posting on your page, engaging things. You already learned how to grow pages, right? Engaging on other platforms as well. When you now build up your page to an extent, you can even reach out to your friend that does business, offer to work for her for free to manage her page. What you are doing is you are building your portfolio. Imagine doing that for 2 people. In like 2 weeks time or thereabout, you have enough record. Now prepare a pitch for business owners. You can have to like also bring down your price. Find out what others are charging to manage page. You can bring down your own price based on say you are still up and coming. So now 2 weeks later, you've worked for free for a couple of persons. If you do well enough, they can even decide to like engage you or pay you, right? Now make a list of up to 30 business owners. Yes, 20, 30, any number you can reach. Make a list. Don't just go to their DM and say, hire me, I am a page manager. Many of them not even know they need your service. You are the one that tell them reason they need you. Tell them why they should engage you. It doesn't have to be anything long, right? It can be something basic. Okay, this is what you do. Show sample of your work. Tell them what you can deliver for them. Like you're going to free up their time. You're going to help them grow their page. And this will boost their sales. And this is a ripe time because this time of the year, business owners have big goals. Align your pitch to the New Year resolution because they have tons of goals. They have how much revenue they want to make. Align your pitch to that. Let them see you in their success story. You can even do personal brand. Financial Jennifer is a personal brand. This year, my resolution is to get active on TikTok. I may not have time to do that. I might need somebody to manage that page for me. My own is just to be creating content. So there are so many others like me as well that have told themselves that this year they want to maybe be more active on social media, build a personal brand. Oh my God, this is the perfect time for you. So show these people why they need to engage you. Let me tell you something that happened recently. I've had people always sending me emails. Maybe they want to do my thumbnails, they want to edit my videos. So there's this particular guy, I think he has sent emails before that he wants to edit my thumbnails and all of that. It's not a service I needed at the moment. So nothing came out of that. But then I went on Instagram one day. I saw somebody tag. You know how you post on Instagram story, you tag someone. I saw a tag. What this guy did, there was this thumbnail I had. He recreated that thumbnail with his own. Oh my God, it was really beautiful. Like I had to reply that this is nice. Now, if I actually needed that service, I did need it. I might even still engage him anyway because the thumbnail was really beautiful. I could see how better my videos could be with this particular thumbnail he did. He didn't just come to me and say, engage me to do your thumbnail. He showed me. I liked it. So the next thing now is engaging, but I've kind of been busy. I've not gotten back to that conversation. How about you do a similar thing? So you can even create templates for some of these business owners using their business logo, template they can be using to make posts. Come up with something. If it's video editing you choose, you can pick one video from their page, re-edit it, add captions, add a transition, all those nice things. Send it to them. When they look at before and after, it's going to blow their mind. So my dear, 2025, we have no business whatsoever with poverty. We have no business with being broke. You can't be a part of this community and you are complaining that you don't have a job, you are broke. I know the economy is not fair to everyone, but you can be the exception because there are opportunities everywhere. I pray that this is the year we begin to break generational curses. I pray that any seed we sow this year, that is going to be bountiful harvest. I pray that the good Lord is going to give us ideas to succeed where others go and do not succeed. This is our year, my dear. This is definitely our year.